Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, I am back and today I'm going to be showing you how to make air fry beef smoked sausages by Hillshire Farm with homemade VELDOGGS sauce. Now, I can't give you this recipe, but if you comment down below and let me know how to make a damn delicious relish for you, okay? So comment down below and let me know if you guys want to see me make a relish. Now, this is my special own blend. I can't give you that because it's a VELDOGGS sauce, okay? So, guys, let's jump right into it. Okay, you're going to need some of this relish, which I will show you how to make one day, okay? You're going to need some mustard and you're going to need some relish. Okay? Now here I have some hot dog buns and I have some Hillshire Farm beef smoked sausages. And I'm going to air fry them bad boys in this Ninja air fry. Okay? That's what you need. So let me get this out the way. Move this out the way. And move this out the way. That's right. I'm just messing with you guys. But yeah, we just want to get this out the package. And all we want to do, guys, and these are beef, so that you know, hence the word beef smoked sausages. You're just going to take those out the bag. This is what I want you to do. To make it look professional, we're just going to score it, just like this, guys. Okay? Just like that. Okay? We turn these over. I like to do it just like that, so you can be on each side. Put them together. Score it again. Not no real deep marks. You'll see what I'm talking about when they get done. And trust me, your people will love you for it. Because it's going to look so delicious. It's going to be all off the chain. Alright. And we just get our little pan right here. Just going to put them up in there. Just like that. Put that back up in there. And we're going to air fry this guy for about a good 5 to 8 minutes, okay? And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and turn on the temperature to 350 with air fryers on right here. We're going to turn this down all the way down to about, we'll just go with 7 minutes, okay? Right there. Then we're going to push start. And there it goes. And I'll see you guys in 7 minutes. In a minute. Okay, guys, we're about a minute and 20 seconds. We're going to look in there. See how those looking? They're looking delicious. We're going to let that completely get done. And I'll show you guys how to put it together. See you guys in a minute. Much love. Okay, guys, I'm back. Just gonna go ahead and take these out. They must look good too. That's how they look. I can show you without this camera blaring out. You just want to put them up in there, like so. I like to put mine on here. Put them on the tray. like that. Put this back up. See if I can show you guys that close up. Probably a better picture you're gonna get right there. Okay, that's how they look right there. So let's go ahead and put the toppings on there. Now I have mustard. I'm just gonna go in here with the mustard. Not too much, just enough. I'm gonna come in here with some relish, like sweet relish. Maybe a half a teaspoon or a teaspoon, depending on how much you want on yours. And man, when I tell you, you will thank me. I promise you that. You will thank me, and tell all your friends and family to make sure they go over to VELDOGG's Kitchen, where that boy be throwing down with these restaurant quality foods, or better. So when you want to take the VELDOGG sauce, I'm telling you people, this sauce do not last at all. I promise you that. It does not last at all. So many fresh herbs and spices in here. Blow your mind away. Now I normally use this, you can put it on anything. You can put it on pizza, all this stuff. But when I normally use it for like my hot dogs, and people love it. Okay, so let me show you that one close up. So this is your VELDOGG sauce on there with your beef smoked sausage by Hillshire Farm. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Put my mustard and stuff back here. And my relish. You guys don't ever see me doing this, but I'm doing it today. Alright, put my bell. See, I can't even see my bell. The bell is part of my branding, guys. So that's why I always put that bell in there, okay? So, guys, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please do not forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I thank you for watching, and make sure you share this out with everybody, because I'm telling you, it's going to be off the chain, okay? So, I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen, and I'm out.